Hey everybody, Robert here with more Revit training. Today I've converted our project that we've been working on into Revit 2026. So if you want to do a project like that, you want to switch to a higher version, it's always good to go and copy the old version and leave it in the other version. So I did here, as you can see on the top, I named this underscore 26. Now there are a few new features here, and we're going to go through these as we go on and set this project up for completion. So this is our model, and I saw a few new features here. In this one, you got this accelerated graphics view. If you click this, you'll get offers a preview of faster navigation. So I'm going to click this, and what it does is it gives you a wireframe view, so you can maneuver faster through the model. I wouldn't see what the need for that is unless you got some really big project. So I'm gonna shut that off and go back into my regular 3D view here. Now here uh, in the display options here, I noticed that we have we got this regular detail and course levels, but here they've added a new one here called textures. And if I click that, it'll allow me to go in and see all my textures for basically of which is pretty good instead of dealing with realistic view. You can see this in the texture view. This is a new one here, and I kind of like it because you can maneuver through the model pretty good. So that's what's going on there with that. So those are only two things I noticed so far here. But what I'm going to do here with this project, I'm going to go ahead and set up my sheets. I got a few already done here from what we've been working on previously in the other versions. So I go to my first level floor plan here. No, that's my lighting, sorry. So this is my first floor plan level here. I've got this done. And then what I want to do here, I don't think I need to see all of this tile and floor finishes. So what I might do here, I might take this, right click and duplicate it. Just drag it up, duplicate it. I got my dimensions here. And then I want to right click here. I'm going to rename this. I'm going to call this, is just going to be my finishes drawing. My first floor finishes. So I'm going to go with finishes here. And then I'll go back to my first floor, and then I don't need these floors, so I'm going to right click here. I'm going to hide and view. I'm going to have the floor category, and then that's all I really want to see here. So this is going to be my floor plan, and then I got my first floor finishes, and then I also have a furniture plan. But in my finishes, I might want to show, let me see if I can show textures here. What happens there? Okay, I might want to show textures, and I might want to go ahead and show consistent colors. Actually, let's go to shaded view here. Okay, now in this view, I'm in the wrong view here. I want to go into my finishes. I want to show the floors. So what I want to do here, okay. This is the one. So this one, I want to go ahead and show my shaded view so I can see my floors for our finishes for the first floor. So that's going to be a sheet. So we got our first floor plan, and then we got our furniture plan here. And we can show the finishes there, or we can shut off. So you got our first floor is all done here. And then we need to do our second floor, but we need some work done up here. So I'm going to work on that later. In the meantime, I'll go down to my sheets. I think they got some new options in the sheets. So this is my first floor plan here. And I'm going to go back into my first floor. And I don't want to show anything here. First floor plan here. And I want to make this just a hidden line. Because that's all I want to see on my first floor plan here. Oh, that's my lighting, sorry. So that's my first floor plan sheet. So that's done. Then my second floor plan. So basically, this is kind of tricky. What we're going to do, we're going to set all these sheets up, and then we're going to go back into our electrical. So this is going to be quite a task, and I'm going to do a lot of it for you because we know how to do this. But anyway, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. We're going to look at this in realistic and see what we got here. See, realistic is okay. Realistic comes in pretty good as well. So, but this is the new version of Revit 2026. So I'm going to go ahead and set all these sheets up, and I'm just giving you a basic of how we would start. So we got our floor plan here, our finishes, we got a furniture plan, all these for level 1. So here in my sheets, I would probably go here and say, I got my first floor plan, and then I would probably create another sheet here. Right click here, and I'm going to go new sheet. And here I want to bring in probably my finishes, or however you want to do this. So it's my finishes. I'll drag and drop it on this sheet right here. And then over in the corner, I'll probably have something else. And as you recall, we did have a color scheme here and everything, but that'll come later. And then I'll create another sheet. Go all the way down to my sheets. I have this unnamed as so far, and I probably want to stick that in here, but I'm going to just create these sheets and worry about that later. I'm going to right click here. I'm going to do a new sheet. It's going to be this one. I'm going to go OK, and this is going to be my furniture plan for the first floor, although I have one. Let's go here. We've already got that. So cause now these blue markers determine that they're already on a sheet. So I've got my furniture plan, my first floor plan, or finishes. And so there they are right there. Okay? So I'm going to rename this and probably place this here. But anyway, guys, you get the idea of what's going on here. We're into Revit 2026. And we're going to bring our model, our architectural drawings to life, and then go back and look at our electrical. So, hey, guys, thanks for watching. We're going to get these sheets in order, get them organized, because we were busy into our electrical. So, hey, please subscribe. See you in the next video. Everybody be safe and bye. Welcome to 2026, baby. Rock and roll.